Weather update. Carol is here with more stats on that incredible snow in the United States.
Let me just show you them, Joanna, since you nicely introduced them there. Look at this, Shepherdstown, which is in West Virginia, 103 centimetres. That is more than a metre and getting on for about 3.5 feet. You know, yeah, most of you actually. Most of you.
In
be
what,
up to your waist.
24 hours?
More or less. Most of it fell on Friday and Saturday. We had a new record at JFK, making it the biggest snowstorm on record. Almost hit that in Central Park, so it was the second one. And did you see the pictures of the pandas making what looked like snow angels in Washington Zoo? It was lovely. Now, there's more snow forecast potentially for the Georgias and Carolinas as we go towards the end of this week. But the system that produced all this snow is now in the Atlantic and it's coming our way. But it's not going to be bringing us snow. It's going to bring us some heavy rain and strong winds. Oh. But I want to show you more extremes though, because in the UK we've had our own. So last Tuesday morning between 7 and 8, those were our temperatures. This morning between 7 and 8, those were our temperatures. Look at that.
That is amazing.
24 degrees
24 degree
difference in Kinbrace. Gravesend 14 degrees.
Wow.
So the weather is really topsy-turvy at the moment.
This must be so rare to see those complete variation over just a matter of days.
It is. Well, it's not completely rare, but it is unusual, especially that one at 24. Yeah. Gosh. So you don't know what to wear at this time of the year with weather like this, do you? Wrap up, just keep everything out, is my tip. But today we've got a right mixture as well, so I'll show you. But it's nice to see you as always. So what we have today is an array of fronts coming our way, two of them. The first one is a fairly weak affair. The second one will bring in some heavier rain. But if you look at those isobars, it's not just going to be wet, it's also going to be windy. Now the wind this morning coming from the south, which is a mild direction. Later it's going to swing round to more of a westerly. So the temperatures today across Northern Ireland and Scotland will actually go down from the values that we started the day with. You can see too the patchy rain migrating towards the east, the heavier band coming in behind it in the west. But for southwest England through the afternoon, yes, there will be some bright spells. We might even see a little bit of sunshine, for example, in Cornwall. But there'll be quite a lot of cloud at times with some patchy rain. Patchy rain across Wales, not particularly cold. Aberystwyth with 10 Celsius, not bad for this stage in January. And for Northern Ireland, the rain will have gone through you by the afternoon, so you'll be back into sunshine, but fresher conditions. Blustery winds this morning coming up from the south across Scotland, transferring direction to the west through the afternoon with the rain moving across Scotland, and more rain across northwest England heading in the direction of the northeast, but by mid-afternoon it should still be largely dry. And then we've got this patchy rain working its way over towards East Anglia and Kent through the Midlands this afternoon. Not all of us will see it though. So through the evening and overnight, for many it's going to be dry. We'll see some clear spells developing, especially across England, Wales and also southern Scotland. It will be a cooler night than the one just gone, but by the end of the night you can see all this rain coming in across Northern Ireland and Scotland. That is the set of fronts that brought the snow in across the eastern states. So there it is there, tempered hugely by the Atlantic. So by the time it crosses us, it will produce heavy rain, but it's also going to produce strong winds, gusting to gales, even severe gales with exposure through the course of Tuesday. Now it will move through quite quickly. You can see after a dry start across many parts of England and Wales, the rain already in Scotland and Northern Ireland and Northern England pushes across us all. And it will move quite smartly through Scotland and Northern Ireland, leaving some showers in its wake. And don't forget, it is going to be accompanied by gusty winds, gusting to gale force or more with exposure. So temperatures, although they're in double figures, won't necessarily feel pleasantly warm because of course they will be tempered by the wind. And there is the risk of localised flooding from this rain, particularly across Wales and the southwest. And it's not really until we get to Wednesday that we see this rain move away from the southeast with some showers and some hill snow coming on in behind.